Hi, my name's Adwoa Aboah and I'm being made into a 3D model.
We're here at Dimension Studios in this lovely green room, which is a 3D volumetric capture studio. The fancy way of saying that we create a digital model of a physical person.
We are shooting Adwoa Aboah, who is kind of a modern fashion icon, for the launch of our 5G network at London Fashion Week. She is going to walk the catwalk in augmented reality.
Essentially what we're doing is showing that through technology like 5G, it's possible for a model to walk on 100 catwalks at the same time, on the same night.
In this room there are hundreds of cameras creating a 360-degree digital image of Adwoa.
We're working with Central St Martin's, the renowned fashion and design college in King's Cross, and for their MA show, which is on the opening night of London Fashion Week, we're working with them to create this incredible multi-sensory fashion show.
We're here tonight with Three, who is going to bring this fashion show to life with 5G.
We're putting 3D surround sound in the entire venue. There'll be an enormous 8K projection on the wall. We're also putting haptic feedback into the seat, so you actually kind of feel and be able to interact with the show in a totally new way. And then the final moment of the show will be a 5G moment delivered through special handsets, whereby you'll actually be able to see a digital model walking down the catwalk for the first time.
First time I've been to Central St Martin's show and it was just incredible, so much talent.
Such an insane event, it's absolutely amazing. The talent was incredible and the immersive experience was second to none. What an incredible time.